Hey, Dad, can you help me with my computer? It won't start.
Did you try turning it on?
Yes, I pressed the power button a million times.
Okay, did you check if it's plugged in?
Seriously, Dad? Of course it's plugged in.
All right, unplug it and plug it back in. Sometimes it works.
Fine, one sec. Still nothing. Maybe the power outlet is bad.
Try a different outlet.
Tried that too. No luck.
Does it make any sounds or lights?
Nope, completely dead.
Is it a laptop or desktop?
Laptop.
Did you try charging it?
Yes, charger is plugged in.
Did you check if the charger is working?
No, how would I do that?
Try another charger or test yours on a friend's laptop.
I guess I can try.
Or, I could just come over and fix it.
That would be great, thanks.